Adding wrapping to a long flexbox list can give you some nice grid-like features. So in this example, I have 7 images from Unsplash, each with a caption of the photographer. So let's start by setting display flex on the main container. In this case, it's the body tag. And let's fix the width. Right now it's set using the width property, but I'm going to uncomment this flex property to keep it more flexbox friendly. Also, the flex grow here is set to 0 so it doesn't get away from us. Now we can see the list of images flow horizontally, which is fine, but we don't really want it to go off the page. So let's add flex wrap, which defaults to no wrap, but let's set it to wrap. There's one other option. We could also set it to wrap reverse, which causes the line breaks to flow up instead of down in this case. Notice the content bunches up to the top left corner. If we want to spread it out a bit, we can add justify content, space around, which we know will give us some nice space along the flex direction axis. And it also affects the alignment of the orphaned item on that last row. But that doesn't really help us with our vertical rhythm. So we can add align content. It has values that we're already familiar with. Flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around, and stretch. But stretch isn't going to show much because we have a fixed width and height. Align content is only used with multi-line content, and make sure not to confuse it with align items or align self, as it won't do anything on single line content.